In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view news and announcements on Glassdoor, Announcements 2026. If you want to stay informed without getting overwhelmed by emails and alerts, you're in the right place. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find Glassdoor's news and announcements and how to fine-tune what you receive. First, open your preferred web browser and go to glassdoor.com. You can do this on a desktop or laptop for the clearest view of the menus. The settings we're adjusting are tied to your account, so you'll need to be signed in. Next, log into your Glassdoor account. Click Sign In and choose the option you normally use, whether that's email and password or a connected account. Once you're in, you'll land on the home page. From the home page, move to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This icon may show your photo or your initials. Clicking it opens your personal menu, where all of your account controls live. In that drop-down, select Notifications. This takes you to your notification settings page, which centralizes how Glassdoor reaches you, both by email and in-app alerts, so you can manage the noise and keep only what's useful. On the notifications page, look for the section labeled News and Announcements. Click it to expand. This is the hub for company updates, product news, editorial content, and curated lists. Expanding this section reveals the controls you'll use to customize your experience. Now choose what you want to enable or disable. If you like periodic roundups, turn on the newsletter to receive tips, announcements, and popular lists in a digest format. If you prefer timely reads, enable recently published blog posts to get alerted when new articles go live. And if you want to hear about platform changes and recognition moments, toggle on announcements to stay updated on new product launches, award lists, and similar highlights. You can mix and match. Turn on what brings value and switch off what feels redundant. A quick tip: if you're just getting started, try enabling all three for a week, then pair back to what you actually read. There's no save button here because changes autosave. As soon as you flip a toggle, your preference is stored. You can navigate away immediately and your choices will stick. If you ever change your mind, come back to the same spot and adjust with a single click. That's all there is to it. Open Glassdoor, sign in, click your profile icon, go to Notifications, expand News and Announcements, set your preferences, and let autosave handle the rest. Review these settings occasionally to keep your updates relevant and your inbox tidy.